Do you need to see me?
I noticed you have been on the phone a lot.
Yes, I'm a receptionist.
I took some notes. One call was 3 minutes, another one was 5, and yet another was 6 minutes and 45 seconds.
Can I ask you where you got these times from?
My stopwatch. I use it to monitor tardiness, phone calls, breaks, the time it takes for you to return my emails, and it even came in handy at the company picnic. We had so much fun.
Okay. The picnic again.
You really missed a great gathering. We had balloons, a clown, an egg toss contest, and Bill was tossed in the pool. I know you had plans. Do you mind me asking what they were?
Well, if you must know, a few of my friends are British. We gathered to celebrate the royal wedding.
Oh, yes, the royal wedding. I had forgotten about that. It was really the best event of the year. I mean, I should say the picnic was the best event of the year. You really missed out.